Okay guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Y'all know this background behind me, but what's in front of me is brand new. Ta-da! It's a trailer, and it's in, let's just say, less than great shape. I got it on Facebook Marketplace. I'll put the listing right here. It was originally listed for $700, so we went there and looked at it, and we haggled with them a bit, and I got it for $475. We're just gonna do a quick run through to tell y'all and show y'all what we need to do and what we need to fix up on it, because there's a lot. These guys, these clips, this is our ground for the trailer lights. They got wiring issues or something. That's tin foil to the decking. It's completely falling apart, and in some places there are just random holes in it. Not in good shape and needs to be replaced. Now we'll move on to these fenders here, which are kind of nice fenders, but there's no back on them. It's just this plywood that was poorly cut, and on the other side, that top bolt is loose. So these are gonna need to be replaced. All the tires are completely shot. Taillights. These are shot. And then a license plate holder too. There's 3 of these, which I'm pretty sure you need to have these to be legal. This is a 10x6 trailer. First things first, I'm gonna pull off the deck, and then we're gonna have to do, I'm not sure if I've said this or not, but our actual goal is to flip the trailer for potentially double what we put into it. We're gonna like pick through all these electrical and wire up the new light. Holy wiring. It really wouldn't be all that smart to put on the new blinkers and a new wiring harness and stuff without painting it first. So now it's all ready for paint. I'm gonna pull it out, clean up all this junk and wiring mess that I pulled off, and then we'll bring it back in, put some drop cloth down, and get ready to paint. There we go. Okay, so now that we got the whole deck on, we're just gonna put the bolts on like I kind of started doing right now. So, and there we go. We got it all drilled out here and everything's, what I did is I just drilled through here and bolted them down on the bottom. And yeah, now the trailer could be done, but I'm gonna use some 2x4s and put a rail on it. And as we can see, these are not 2x4 shaped. So I had to carve out this one 2x4 so it'll fit. And I need to do that with 5 more. Okay, so now I have all these cut and just chiseled out. There's 6 of them total, but before we put them in these holes and actually mount them for good, we're gonna fix this fender situation. I bought this pressure treated 4x8 sheet of plywood. I'm just gonna put it on there and trace it out. Okay, now we can start putting these in. Now that we got them all mounted here, we can work on putting on the 2x4 rails. now we just... Okay, so now I can officially say the trailer is done. We got these doors off, and they just swing out like that, and then they latch right here. There's one right there. And then I put Velcro thing right there, one on the side and one on the other side over there. I'm gonna list it for $2,000, thinking that I probably won't get that. If I do, that's great. Alrighty, so it's been a month since we did the original trailer rebuild, and I listed it originally for $2,000, lowered it down to $750, and then I lowered it down to $1,600. And someone just messaged me and said they want to come by and take a look at it. Well, there it goes. We got $1,550 from him, and I'm calling that a very successful flip. All in, we were $800, I think I said. I'll put the number right here. So we almost doubled our money. We were $50 short of doubling our money, which is really good if you're asking me. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.